In today's tutorial, I will show you how to extract numbers only from text string with Kutools for Excel. If you have Kutools for Excel installed, with its extract numbers function, you can quickly extract numbers only from text strings without remembering any formulas. Click a cell where you want to locate the extracted number. Click Kutools tab. Click the formula drop-down list. Click Kutools functions drop-down list. Click the text option under the functions category and select extract numbers. In the function arguments dialog box, click this button besides the txt to select a cell that you want to extract number from, and then press enter. And next, enter true or false into the end text box as you need. True will return the numeric number and false will return the text format. And then click the OK button. The number is displayed in the selected cell. And then you can select the cell and drag the fill handle down to the cells which you want to apply this function, and all numbers have been extracted at once. Please note that if there are more than one numbers within a cell, all numbers will be extracted together, as you can see in the cell A3 and the cell A8. And this function is only applied to extracting the whole number. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.